G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a true hidden gem, 16 Andersen Avenue, high on the hill in the popular suburb of Urraween. There's a fair bit to take in, so let's go and take a look around. This lovely home is positioned high on the ridge to capture the prevailing sea breezes on a spacious 887 square metre allotment in the popular suburb of Urraween. You will enjoy the convenience that comes with living only minutes away from Hervey Bay's key amenities, which include Stockland Shopping Centre, Piaba Place Shopping Centre, the Hervey Bay RSL. We have a selection of schools, university, TAFE, hospitals, medical centres and so much more, not to mention the Esplanade, beach, cafes and restaurants. Originally built in 2013, the generously proportioned floor plan has been built around capturing Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. The home boasts 3 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The main bedroom does include a lavish ensuite. The remaining 2 bedrooms are serviced by the main bathroom, which does include a bath, and we have a separate toilet. The stylish kitchen truly does form the heart of this home and features an electric cooktop with range hood, a wall oven, pantry and loads of storage space. The versatile open plan dining area features beautiful floating timber floors and offers an entertaining point that easily services the main living spaces as well. Staying cool over the warmer summer months will also be a breeze with reverse cycle split system air conditioning across the main living areas. The glass sliders open the home up to provide a seamless connection to the outdoor entertaining area that does run down the eastern side of this home, as well as we have that north facing outdoor entertaining deck, which will be ideal to take advantage of at the end of a long day and overlooks those established gardens, which also include irrigation, and we've even got some sea glimpses. Those looking to accommodate a range of vehicles will appreciate the options on offer with side access to the high entry carport and shed with power, making it ideal for those with large caravans and boats. Plus we have a carport to the side of the home which offers covered entry inside. The owners have committed to selling this lovely home and are looking for an immediate sale, so here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.